Okay, so we're about to leave from this place. There are tons of carrier units right there. Some of them are air conditioners and some of them are heat pumps. And I just noticed one of the carrier units just fired up. So some of them are air conditioners and some of them are heat pumps. Just to let you know, that one over there is running. This one is off. This is the tiny one. It's probably like a carrier comfort or something. It's got a big Bristol or a Bristol compressor or something. I don't know what it is. Here's this carrier unit. It's off too. Here, let me check the data sheet. It likes to see the units. So it's from, I don't know what the tonnage is yet, but yeah, I don't know what the tonnage is yet. Here's this one. This one just started up. So we'll see how it's doing. Nice. Here's this one. It's probably a heat pump. It's off though. Got some leaves in there. There's a compressor, a Bristol compressor. Here's the carrier logo. This one's off. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only this one is running. So, thanks for watching. Blow Arm Gang out.